So this is TS diagram again, and AB is saturated liquid curve, BC is saturated vapor curve, and B is the critical point, and this is the constant pressure line on TS diagram. So what I want to say that suppose if we want to find out any property, or if we want to name any property on saturated liquid curve which is A to B, so how you can see point 1, point 2 and point 3. So point 1 lies on saturated liquid curve, point 2 lies in wet region, that is liquid plus vapor, and point 3 lies on saturated vapor curve. Okay, so if we want to find out any property at point 1 or on saturated liquid line, so we can how to find out. So suppose enthalpy, so H is enthalpy and H1 is the enthalpy at this point which is on saturated liquid curve. So H1 is equal to HF at pressure P. Any property on this line, any properties on saturated liquid curve will have its bottom at as a F. F means fluid on in steam table. Okay, so H1 is on saturated liquid curve and H1 will be designated as HF at pressure P in steam table. So you can see here. Similarly, point 3 lies in saturated vapor curve. So H3 equal to Hg at pressure P. Any properties on saturated vapor curve will be designated as G. Okay, so Hg, Sg, any, if you say volume then Vg. So H3 equal to Hg at pressure P. What you will find in steam table. Okay, so H1 and H3, how will you get? You have to see this pressure P, and if you see the steam table, there will be a vertical column where pressure starts. You can see P, Kpa will be written there. I will say it today. Okay, so in that pressure line, you have to find out this particular pressure. Suppose the pressure is 75 kPa, you will get there, and that particular pressure you will get there. HF will be in one column, Hg will be in one column, and rest properties will be like that only. Suppose entropy, then it will be SF and it will be Hg. Entropy at this point, at one point, what you will find? SF. Entropy at point 2 at this pressure, Sg. Volume at this point, it will be Vf. Volume at this point, it will be Vg. Okay, so directly you can get value 1 and properties at point 1 and at point 3 from steam table. See, I have written here. Now things come. What is dryness fraction? Okay, denoted by X. So dryness fraction is mass of vapor upon total mass, which is mass of liquid plus mass of vapor. Okay, suppose there is a rigid container which contains both vapor and liquid. Okay, so dryness fraction is the fraction of vapor in this container. Okay, suppose this container contains all vapor, so X will be 1. How? Mass of vapor upon this liquid is 0, so mass of vapor, so you will get 1. Suppose this container contains all liquid, so X will be equal to 0. Why? Mass of vapor is 0. Okay, so X, the value of X will vary from 0 to 1. So in this line AB, saturated liquid line, all are liquid here, so X will be 0. On BC line, it is saturated vapor, there is all vapor present. If you put any point on this curve, so X equal to 1. So you can say here X equal to 1, and on this line X equal to 0. So I have written here, see, X equal to 0 for saturated liquid curve, X equal to 1 for saturated vapor curve, and the value of X, you can say X greater than 0, equal to, less than equal to 1 always. So if we have to find any properties in wet region, then how to find out? So point 2 lies in wet region. Okay, in somewhere here you can see between saturated liquid curve and saturated vapor curve. So see, H2 is the enthalpy at point 2. So H2 equal to HF plus X2 into Hg minus HF. This is the method how you can find out enthalpy at point 2 or entropy at point 2. See, S2 is the entropy at point 2. So S2 equal to SF at this pressure only, SF plus X2. X2 is the dryness fraction at point 2 into Sg minus SF. Okay, so SF, Sg you will get from table. Similarly, HF, Hg you will get from table, and you can find out any properties in the wet region. Okay, one thing, Hg minus Hf can be written as Hfg. Okay, in table you will find out. Similarly, Sg minus Sf can be written as Sfg. So directly I can write this equation as H2 equal to Hf plus X2 into Hfg and S2 equal to Sf plus X2 into Sfg. This thing directly will get in table.